Good morning, students. Let us start a new chapter today, that is comparing quantities. Consider a case where we have a basket and there are two types of fruits in it, 20 apples and 5 oranges. Now we are going to compare the number of fruits, number of apples and number of oranges in terms of number, more than, less than, ratio and percentage. So let us start and understand what it is. In terms of number, we can see that there are 20 apples and 5 oranges. In terms of more than and less than means that number of apples is 15 more than number of oranges. If we add 15 to 5, we will get number of apples. So number of apples is 15 more than number of oranges. In the same way, if we subtract 15 from number of apples, we will get number of oranges. That means number of oranges is 15 less than number of apples. So this was comparison in terms of more than and less than. Next comparison is based on how many times. This we have studied in class 6th. Comparison in terms of how many times. Whenever there is comparison in terms of how many times, we use ratio. How can we find a ratio? We will take number of apples upon number of oranges. So how many apples are there? There are 20 apples. And how many oranges are there? There are 5 oranges. So what will be the answer? It will be equal to 4 by 1. So we can write it as number of apples is equal to 4 multiply number of oranges. So we can say number of apples are 4 times the number of oranges. Is it clear? So this is the comparison in terms of how many times. So here we are using actually ratio, and we can write this 4 by 1 as 4 is to 1, and it is read as 4 is to 1. In the similar way, we can write ratio as number of oranges divided by number of apples. So how many oranges are there? There are 5 oranges and 20 apples. So what will be the answer? 1 by 4. So we can write it as number of oranges is equal to 1 by 4 multiply number of apples. So we can say number of oranges are 1 by 4 times the number of apple. So what is the ratio between number of apples and number of oranges? It is 4 is to 1. Now next comparison is based on percentage. Since we have total fruits equal to 25 and we know how we can calculate a percentage, we write the number which is present. That is, we have, if we want to calculate the number of percentage of apples, so write down the number of apples you have and then write down the total fruits. Then this will be the fraction. So what is the fraction of apple out of all these fruits? It is 20 by 25 or 4 by 5. So what you will do, you will multiply by 100 and divide it by 100. Whatever you are doing on numerator, you should do it on denominator as well. And percent means what? Cent means 100 and per means 1 upon. So percent means 1 upon 100. So here we can see that Here we can see that there is 1 by 100. This value is 1 by 100. So we can write it as 20 divided by 25 multiply 100 multiply 1 by 100. Right, like this or like this, both are same. So 1 by 100 can be written as 20 divided by 25 multiply 100, and this 1 by 100 can be written as percentage. So what will be the answer? 20 divided by 25 multiply 100%. This percent actually is 1 by 100. Now calculate it. You will get the answer as 80%. So how, in terms of percentage, apple is 80%. 80% out of total fruits, it is apples. And what about oranges? It will be equal to 20%. So ratio and percentage is used for comparison between two quantities.